This is not just a superbike. This is the Aprilia RSV4 X-GP, a track-only MotoGP-inspired machine that blurs the line between racing legend and reality. Only 30 exist in the world, and today, we experience the ultimate two-wheeled masterpiece. From its full carbon fiber bodywork to the precision-engineered aero wing, every millimeter screams racing DNA. The red and white Aprilia Racing accents aren't just graphics, they're a statement of speed, exclusivity, and performance. Beneath the carbon fairing lies a 1000cc V4 engine, producing 238 horsepower through a racing-focused chassis. Its electronics and ECU are derived straight from MotoGP, offering traction, wheelie, and launch control at the flick of a switch. This is raw, unfiltered power, where every twist of the throttle launches you into a visceral symphony of sound and speed. Mounting the RSV4 X-GP, you feel like a racer stepping into the cockpit of history. The Marcassini wheels, Brembo brakes, and Olin suspension respond with razor-sharp precision.